My name is Michael Kosiver. I'm the president of Lockheed Architectural Solutions. We're based out of Pasco, Rhode Island, which is on the eastern seaboard of the United States. It was founded by my grandparents about 70 years ago. We started in the window business, manufacturing replacement windows, secondary storm products for the primary window business for homes back then. The company is about 115 people right now, currently. We've been as high as 160, and we've been as low as the mid-90s. I feel as though we're in our sweet spot. Our company primarily concentrates in Division 08 fenestration industry for commercial contracts. We'll get into office complex work, we'll get into housing work. We do a little bit of retail work in the hospitality space, whether it be casino or hotel. Our main problem went before we had an Alu Ranger machine, which was about 8 years ago, was we were relying on outsourced supply. And in the industry that we're in, Division 8, the facade, the fenestration industry, a lot of the application of our product is verified in the field, whereas when we bought the Alu Ranger, we could just rely on ourselves, fabricate those products ourselves, and ship them ourselves to ourselves and install them. So we cut out a middleman, so to speak, and had more control. The main reason for us to purchase the Alu Ranger machine was the product, the facade product that is next to the fenestration product integrates. And that integration is very important. And we found that the clients, the GCs, the owners, the developers, they didn't want to have the window person or window guy or window contractor talk to a facade contractor. They wanted it to be the same contractor. So purchasing the Alu Ranger machine allowed us to enter that market. The loader is absolutely phenomenal. We can run that machine with one person after we get the material to it, and we just press go after we've loaded up the files that we need to load up to bend, load, V-groove, cut, and offload. We can almost do it with one and a half, maybe two people, and that's just an amazing solution to what we did before, which was almost archaic and very antiquated. Recently, the Bender, we have taken on projects that we know other people have maybe declined being able to do because they don't have the equipment, and we simply have the space. We now have the technology. That machine is a little newer. It's one of the last machines that we bought, and we're running it today for projects, and it just provides a beautiful edge to ACM product that we weren't able to offer before, and I think it just sets us a little bit apart. Muratori helps us set ourselves apart from the competition. In addition to ACM, and I will say anybody's ACM will run on that machine. We've learned that, but we've also ran phenolic material on that, or HPL, high performance laminate, I think is the correct word, or phenolic type material, and we've also run fiber cement on the machine. The Alu Bender is excellent for certain fiber cement products that require edge sealing. It has a bath with a wheel, and prior to that we were doing it by hand, which, as everybody knows, you rely on a human. Here we're relying on Muratori, and it's a perfect product. It probably has doubled or tripled since we bought the machine, certainly with the loader, which we bought from day one. One of the main benefits with the Muratori equipment is it's vertical, so the space that it requires on the floor is less than other equipment, obviously, which space is key in manufacturing processes. Being vertical, we're able to walk right up to that machine, and we are barcoding our panels, and we can put labels right on the back side. of the panels before they come off the machine and are even folded into cassettes. So the machine has been again, an amazing solution for us to how we were doing things in the past.